free? Because I was about to dig a hole.
Hey guys, so today we're going to be trying out
How did you manage to do that?
lotion and flower because I just watched a video.
Broke up with me because his boa
You're gonna need
constrictor said I was
lotion. I
too
don't know
clingy,
if any
which is that
kind of
wrong?
lotion to put it in here.
But there are three of us. I know. That's the problem. Yeah, I guess the moment's over.
Some kind of
Jesse on Disney Channel.
Friday at 8. For this 2-year annual approach cheerleader, pros and wings love to be the side. Friday at 8 on Disney Channel.
let's go put the flower in. But before you put your flower in, you need a mix. And mine's gonna be a light pink. Well, hopefully it works. If you know who Jelly is, the one who makes if you see Jelly, and this doesn't work, you do not follow him or her. Next flower, and then press in. Mix. I don't know if this is gonna work.
Table for 2, my good man. No.
Oh, no.
It's always on the menu when you mix things up with your friends.
And it's working.
Here today.
I think it's working.
100% Juice is a proud sponsor of Disney Channel.
A man in a kabuki mask attacked you with an army of miniature flying ropes. They not tell them, yes, officer. Go. How about we call your parents?
Need well.
You're gonna need some upgrades.
Working. Let's just mix it sometime. Watching Baymax is on the commercial right now. Just keep adding until you think it's ready. Then you need well.
You cannot beat it at tic-tac-toe.
It's kind of like clay.
I need someone super smart to help me out better.
I see where this is going. My condolences, but there is nothing that could convince me to get involved.
How about a seat at the 7th grade pool table for the rest of the semester?
Tempting me with temporary social acceptance is horrific, but so is eating with the lunch lady. Deal.
And that is why One Direction owes everything to the Beatles.
Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Make sure to like and thumbs up and comment what you think thought about this video. Well, okay guys. Bye.
You know, Serena.